Shopify Metafields. What are they? How do you use them? Do they give any benefit to your Shopify store? The simple answer is yes. They give so much weight in terms of product with Google Shopping, Google Search, LLMs such as ChatGPT. However, 99% of Shopify brands are ignoring them and not pushing the right data into them. I'm here just to create a quick video on why you should be optimizing Shopify Metafields and give some example of documentation that's going to help you do that. Just let me show this document now. So Shopify standard product taxonomy. Now, what happens when you create a Shopify product and you will see your categorization. So you can choose, Shopify has got this awesome network now where you choose your category and that will give you recommendations by the AI powered tool. And what this does is has basically every product more or less. So you can go like animal and pet supplies, apparel and accessories, health and beauty, luggage and bags. And what that is step one. So that's your overall category. So your Shopify category of what your products are. And based on your SKUs, Shopify will recommend this to you. So for example, services, software. And then if we choose, for example, apparel, accessories, and then what you'll do then is level 2. So this will go deeper within the taxonomy. So Shopify is understanding what your products, and you need to push that data in to share with Google and LLMs what your products are. It just gives an extra weight in terms of getting more traffic and clicks. So we go clothing, okay, and now we have level 3. So we've gone from apparel and accessories, we've gone from clothing. So this is good organic clustering. And then we go to, for example, we'll go to activewear. And then it goes even deeper, so level 4. So you can see how that's breaking down now more and more. So we'll go activewear. And then again, level 5 here. So we'll go joggers, okay. And then what will happen is Shopify generally recommends these recommendations automatically with the AI-powered tool. So joggers attributes, so we'll have activity, age group, color, fabric, fit, length type, pattern, size, tag, gender, waist size. And what will happen is a lot of Shopify brands won't do this, and you miss out all this content here. All this data that you can be pushing in. So when you feed into like Google Shopping, you're giving a lot more information on what your products are about, and it gives more weight to drive more traffic. The more Google understands about your products, the more opportunity you get clicks with Google Shopping, etc. Now, you also have your custom metafields as well. So you can have a product level metafields where you can come in and customize, but I just make sure you're filling out the category metafields. Shopify does a great job in picking them out. So get your e-commerce team to optimize your SKUs. How I generally doing it is work from your top level sellers and work back from that. So like some that, if you have 30k SKUs, there's a lot there. You can automate this, but if you're doing it manual, you just work from your top revenue sellers and really go in depth on the data. So before you start to create all these custom ones, just make sure you're filling out the foundational ones and getting that data in, and it can help drive more clicks to your products. But check it out. It's an awesome way of just feeding more data in, and it's a good opportunity for Shopify brands, and one that's still underutilized, if I'm being honest. But yeah, so with every brand I work with, I do this in my e-com operating system. We're coming in looking at products to drive more clicks to them and helping them win, because the more traffic that's coming into your PDPs, the more revenue your brand's going to make. And obviously that's the goal of every Shopify store, is to create revenue. So make sure you give my channel a follow. I'm putting in more and more tips around Shopify guides and growth. But any questions, drop them in the comments. Thank you.